Just get started. Only 9% of businesses, be it small or big, are using YouTube right now. And video marketing is going to absolutely explode, and video is where most people are. I was looking at my LinkedIn feed today, and I couldn't believe how many videos I'm now getting on LinkedIn. Every other post is with a video, and now everybody is hopping on this bandwagon for video marketing. So you need to get started. Absolutely. You don't need to have a complicated strategy or a setup. Keep it very simple and get started, and perfect as you go along. That's what I would say. Don't try to be a perfectionist. Just keep it simple and improve your videos and your campaigns as you go along. But you need to get started first of all. What's your number one tip to help businesses get started with video marketing? My biggest, simplest tip is this: is your smartphone. Just get started with this. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need lots of gizmos and gadgets. Just a little microphone which clips into your smartphone, and you can get these for about 10 pounds or $10 from Amazon. If you don't have it, doesn't matter. Just use your built-in mic for now, but just get started and start uploading to your channel. But not only upload to YouTube, but then you upload to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, all of these channels. So then you are putting out your messages in multiple channels and places.